This short guide shows how to buy shares of Bioventus Inc A on NASDAQ under the search query, how to buy shares of Bioventus Inc A, ticker BVS. Bioventus develops orthobiologic and bone healing medical devices. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BVS to find the company listing. Make sure you select the entry that explicitly shows Bioventus Inc on NASDAQ so you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Verify the page refers to Bioventus Inc, ticker BVS, and the NASDAQ market. Press Investor Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the platform used in this walkthrough, check the link in the description.